In this video, I am going to show you how to add a link to a button in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So to add a link to your button, open your Wix website editor. If you have a button on your website, then you can also add a link to your button. But if not, then you can add a new button to your website. To add a button, from the left menu, click on Add Elements. Now select Button and add a button to your website. If you want to change the button text and icon, click on Change Text and Icon. Add your text here, and as you can see that our button text is now changed. To add a link to your button, just click on Choose a Link. You have multiple options for the link, like you can link to a page, web address, section, document, email or lightbox. If you want to link your button to a page, just select Page from here. Now click on this drop down and choose your page from here. After that, just click on Done, and in this way your button will be linked to the services page. To link your button to the web address, just select web address from here, paste it here and then click on Done. You can also link your button to a document, and once the button is clicked, your document will be downloaded. To do this, just select Document from here, then click on Choose File. Now you can select the file from your website library, or you can upload files from your computer. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.